Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, it has Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. Ta, 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 ta. Well, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a super, is it one, maybe two super kits, or three, maybe even a bonus. So make sure that you watch the video so that you don't miss any step. You may not like the first one, but love the last one, or maybe love the second one. So let's dive into it. Well, no makeup today, just a lip gloss. I'm feeling kind of as if my lips are dry, but I'm loving my skin and the way it's improving day in, day out. I can actually even do a video right here without this Vaseline. I can just do a video even without makeup. I don't have to do all that I have to do particular video. So let's dive into it. I hope you have liked it and shared us out there, and also commenting down below, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Okay, so previously we did on how you can relieve pain from your braids. So if your braids are still in pain or your hair, just check the video in the description, or just our previous video. I'll place the card how it looks right here. Anyways, for this particular styles, for some you're going to be using two bands to hold your hair but it's not a must. Let's do it. So I'm just using these ones that they come packed together with the braids. Do you want to start any longer? Oops. Let me take some water. So this is it. Okay. Just pick some hairs from all sides. I feel like putting this one. Pick some hairs from both sides. This time actually I was going for crusade. Crusade, yes, prayers. The other day, and I was looking for a style. I just found myself styling the hair like this. You just pick some hairs. You see, like that. Not too many. You can always release some. Remember, we are releasing some at the back, and here we're not picking so many, just a few. And then you pick the thingy that you're using to hold your braids and hold them. This is just a cute style. You can do with it out, church, girls' night. I don't know, if you wanna feel babyish, girlish. I just love this style for all that. So like that, and then pick the other side. I'll show you how you can actually, now if you don't want it to just flow down like that, the way in which you can control all that and make it even look better. Okay, the next one here. Remember, we are releasing some hairs. Okay, and then you hold it. Twice. You can leave it like that. Like that. Or you can always, if you have a forehead, you can look for the curtains. Although there was some less one, like, I hate. I'm trying to take some hot water because of my ears. I don't know, I was exposed to the cold yesterday during prayers. But anyways, you can always let it be like that. I think it looks adorably nice. If you do your makeup, you can always put in the cat eyes and all to make it more, you know. But then the other way you can do this is, you want it to stay like this at the top. So you can use the same. You can always use the same This is style number 2, but based on one style, based on the same tip. And the same method, that is, I don't even know what I'm saying, but I know you get it. I'm looking right here because that's where my mirror is at. So once you do the first folding, the second one, you just fold the hem. To have something like that. The same case to this side, you can always fold it the way you have already held and then use another band, or you can just undo and then use the same seam. I don't know which one you prefer, but this one looks more elegant when you use one band and like fast holding it and then doing it a second time. Being single people do when others are cuddling and rushing to their partners, they're rushing to pick foods. Anyways, you can make it smaller, bigger. The size of these ones, just the way you want it. You see, there's this size for this side. This is big, this is small, so it bends the way you want it. But for me, I loved it released. But look, tell me which one you prefer. Okay, so undo that and remain the way it was, so that I can show you how you can continue styling the same style in another manner. Actually, unajua, you know, this same style, when it's like this, instead of like undoing, so you wanna do what, you can always rotate it round like that, and then you hold. You see, now it will be different, totally different. It will be circular, and then something has dropped right there. The same case to this other side. You just rotate it and get yourself a similar outcome. Anyways, I'm just giving you ideas on the same style, how you can style it differently. But I love it this way. You can always now choose to release some curtains right there. You can choose one, you can choose two from that side, or one from each side, or two from so you have something like that. That is the easiest style today. Easy tu. Unagawanya kidogo, unakava kidogo, ukitaka ikuwe na madoido, you rotate. I mean, I can rotate the entire hair like that. And then hold. Obviously, it can't hold itself. You always just rotate and have it like that. Easy. It all depends on how you like it. As for me right now, I'm loving it this way. This is actually how I went yesterday somewhere, and I felt pretty cute. Yeah, I felt really cute with it like that. So if you like it, like the video, shares out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section. If you don't like it, you can always tell me in the comment section. Remember, it's that easy. Yeah, see you on the next one. Love you. If you watched up to this far, thank you so much. May God bless you for me as He blesses me. See you on the next one. You can always check out in the description another video, and you can click right here to watch more of my videos or get more ideas. Okay.